If you're considering purchasing Jetpack AI and you don't know how to use it, let me show you on this video how to use Jetpack AI. So currently I have this installed on my WordPress website. I'm on the paid plan, and currently they have a Black Friday sale, which is really affordable. I got this for $35 for the whole year, so that's pretty affordable. Now, how to use this? You can use this in posts and in pages. So let's go into posts to show you how this works. So let me go ahead and create a brand new post right now to show you the features on how Jetpack AI works. Now, it can be used for writing, for images, and much more, for corrections. So let me give it a quick title. Okay, so here's a simple title. What is the country with the biggest watch manufacturing? And now we're gonna kick off with AI Assistant. And before we get started, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So currently they have the Black Friday sale that you wanna take advantage of. It's the lowest price you're gonna get in the year, so definitely check them out. Now, the current price right now is this one right here, but there's an extra coupon code that I wanna show you to grab a lower price. I would recommend the business plan. It has a great ratio price to what you're going to get, and you can install up to 50 websites, 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes, free domain, and you get an AI assistant also with this plan, which is included already. So I'm gonna choose this plan, and the first thing you need to do is select the amount of months you want to pay in advance. I recommend the 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Now, this is the current price for 4 years, but if you click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, the price is gonna drop to $118.80. That's for 4 years paid off. Okay, so let's jump over to my AI assistant /AI, and it's going to open up the AI assistant. Now, the first thing I like to do with the AI assistant is getting started by clicking on Write with AI and getting a summary based on the title. The reason I like this is because with this first summary, it's going to understand what this topic is about. And from there, I can continue with the AI, which is pretty cool. I'm going to accept the summary right here, and I'm going to continue with a brand new block. So let's go into blocks. Let's go to the AI assistant, and I can now do several things. So for example, informative article on explaining watchmaking, for example. Here we go, and it's gonna write that for me. So it's really useful. Now, be aware that you can't auto blog with Jetpack AI. It has to be done manually based on sections. So do be aware of that. Now, what if I need to make a table? So let's go ahead, AI again. Let's do the AI assistant. Let's tell it to make a table. So make a table comparing watchmaker countries. Here we go. Let's hit enter, and it's gonna build a table for us. So it's just as easy as that. I mean, it's not complex at all to use the Jetpack AI assistant. Now let's hit accept. We're good to go. I can go ahead and rewrite it if I need to. In this case, I'm going to keep it. So now let's go ahead and add an image. So in this case, I'm going to select the image. Let's do image. Now I can select generate with AI. So since I have Jetpack AI, and I can do through AI. So let's tell it to make something. Here we go. I just got my image. Let's go ahead and insert this, and it's now going to be inside of here. Now, what other features does Jetpack AI have? Well, on the right top, there's a little icon that says Jetpack. That is going to kick off the writing assistant. Now, currently, you're going to see that there's a lot of highlighted areas in the content that it wrote. If I turn this off, I'm not going to get that distraction. But if I want this, I can turn it on and view, for example, spelling mistakes, complex words, long sentences, unconfident words, and it's going to give me the suggestions over here. If I click on the highlighted option here, I can make it suggest, and it's going to give me a better suggestion than what I got already. If I like the suggestion, I can go ahead and click on it. If I don't, I can go ahead and retry it. Now in this case, I'm going to click on it, and it's going to replace it. Now, what about complex words? Expertise doesn't sound too complex, but it might be for some people. So let's get a suggestion, and it's going to give me like a short phrase saying the same thing, but instead of being one word, it's a little phrase that makes it easier for someone to understand. Same thing goes with all these features. Now, I can also get generate title options. So the first one is pretty basic. So it just lets me get started with the idea, but then I can get better suggestions. So for example, switch watchmaking crafting time luxury. That could be one. I can also give it suggestions here, but in this case, I'm just going to replace it with that one. I can generate a featured image just like the one you saw when I inserted one, and it's going to add it into the featured image. And I can also get feedback. So based on the content that I just wrote, if something is missing, it's going to help me understand what I can do. For example, add personal insights, visual elements, interactive elements, SEO optimization, and so much more. So I can get that generate feedback from here from the Jetpack AI assistant. So it's pretty easy to start using Jetpack AI once you purchase it and add it to your website. So go ahead and get started right now using Jetpack AI. And if you plan to grab a hosting plan, don't forget to use my coupon code SaaSmaster.